There is a secret marketplace on the internet where hackers buy and sell digital weapons worth millions of dollars. No drugs, no guns, just software bugs, invisible flaws in your phone, laptop, or even government defense system. Welcome to the zero day market where the right line of code can take down corporations, spy on presidents, or even empty your bank account and you won't even know how it happened. Let's deep dive into underground world of zero day market where hackers go when they want to hack the unhackable. Imagine you are in a highly secure building, cameras, guards, access cards, but there is a hidden backdoor no one knows about, not even the building's owner. Now imagine someone finds the door and decide to sneak in. That hidden door, that's a zero-day vulnerability. A zero-day is a flaw or loophole in software that developers are completely unaware of, meaning they had 0 days to fix it. These flaws are extremely valuable because they can be exploited before any patch or defense exists. One such incident happened in 2021 when a zero-day in Google Chrome allowed attackers to execute code remotely just by visiting a malicious website. No patch, no warning, millions at risk just from browsing the web. Let's go through some real-world zero-day attacks. Stuxnet, the legendary cyber weapon, used a total of 4 zero-day vulnerabilities to sabotage Iran's nuclear program. NSO's group's Pegasus spyware used iPhone zero days to silently infect journalists and activists just for a missed call or a text message. And in 2023, Operation Triangulation used a zero day in Apple iMessage to infect iPhones without any interaction. Zero click attacks at their worst. You would be surprised by knowing who is in the market. Nation states buy zero day for cyber warfare and espionage. Law enforcement and intelligence agencies buy them to track criminals and terrorists. Private exploit brokers like Gerodium and Exodus sell them to clients, sometimes with vague ethics. And yes, cyber criminals and ransomware groups buy zero days to attack corporations, governments, or even individuals. There are three main markets. Black market, it includes criminal forums, darknet marketplaces. Grey market includes brokers like Gerodium, Exodus, selling to the governments. Bug bounty programs include ethical route via Google, Apple, HackerOne. Problem: black and grey market often pay 10x more than bug bounties, so many researchers sell to the highest bidder, not to the vendor. And you may think this doesn't affect you, but zero days don't discriminate. These attacks can hijack your device, steal your bank credentials, record you through your webcam, encrypt your files for ransom. So now that you know how dangerous zero days are, let's talk about what you can do to protect yourself. First one is keep everything updated. Turn on automatic updates on all of your devices. Use multi-factor authentications. Even if your credentials are leaked, MFA can stop access. Install reputable security tools. Use trusted antivirus, EDR, and firewall tools to detect suspicious behaviors. Don't click shady links. Zero days often start with phishing emails, so stay alert. Don't jailbreak or root your phone. That removes built-in security, makes it easier to exploit. Segment your digital life. Use separate devices or profiles for banking, work, and browsing. So next time you update your phone or get a weird email, remember you might be just one click away from a zero-day exploit. If you found this video helpful or eye-opening, give it a like, share it, and hit the subscribe button. I